Who is ready for some shrimp fried rice? For fried rice, I really think that simple is better. So as you can see here, I have very minimal ingredients. I have a green onion, white onion, some sweet peppers, garlic, and some ginger. And obviously our shrimp, we'll whisk up some eggs. I am going to just ground some fresh pepper here for our shrimp. Now we're just going to slice up our garlic, chop up our ginger, we'll chop up our onion. My eyes. Okay, now we're gonna chop up our green onions. Separate the more hard end from the soft end. We're gonna use the soft end towards the end. You're gonna use more of the hard end in the beginning. So we're just gonna slice these up. All right, and lastly, we're just gonna cut up our peppers over here. Perfect. And now we're just gonna dry off our shrimp. A bit of salt, just a bit of pepper. All right, now I'm just gonna do a little pre-marination of my own on these puppies. So we're gonna get these guys into a bowl. A bit of mirin, soy sauce, and a little bit of flour. We're just gonna mix those up. All right, and lastly, we're just gonna whisk up our eggs. So now we're gonna come back here to our wok, get that fired up, put in some oil, and get going. First things first, let's get our shrimp right in there. Okay, those are perfect. Once you let those cook for a few minutes, you're just gonna pop those to the side. Okay, now we're gonna pop in our eggs. Fry those up. Okay, we're gonna put in a little bit more oil here. Now I just like to leave my eggs in there. And now we're just gonna put in the red pepper, the ginger. Put all that in except for the soft green onions. Tell me that does not look delicious. Just let those sweat down just a bit. Look at all those colors, I mean, come on. Now we're just gonna add in our leftover rice. Now you got your rice in there, you're just gonna stir this all around. I couldn't find MSG for Uncle Roger, but we're just gonna do a bit of kosher salt, a little bit of soy sauce, go around the rim so it evenly coats it. A little bit of mirin. You can add a little more soy sauce, a little bit mirin if you like, but I just usually start out with about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and a couple tablespoons of mirin. And now is about a good time to throw back in our shrimp. Just so simple. Got all those different flavors. Of the onion, the peppers, the garlic, the ginger, the egg, soy sauce. I mean, come on. What more could you want? We're done. Let's go plate up. Shrimp fried rice. Come on. Look at that. So simple. Do what you want, but I prefer just simplicity. All those beautiful flavors are in there. You got the shrimp on top. I mean, come on. What more could you ask for? Let's break into this. Look at this. Oh yeah, look at little hidden gem right there. Come on. That's a wrap, folks. That's a freaking wrap. All right, everyone. So there you have it. Shrimp fried rice. Keep this one simple. You can make it as an entree. You can make it as a side. Enjoy this one. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the things. I'll see you next time. I'm out.